Introduction to no-code integration.
Do you wish your favorite business tools could work together automatically? No-code integration platforms make it possible. These user-friendly services help you connect popular remote work apps like email, calendars, and project tools without writing a single line of code. Let's explore how these platforms work and how you can easily automate tasks to boost productivity.
What are integration platforms?
The integration platforms are online services that connect different apps and automate workflows for you. Well-known examples include Zapier, Make, and Microsoft Power Automate. They let your tools share information, trigger actions, and keep your data in sync, all without needing programming skills or IT support.
How does no-code automation work?
Using a no-code integration platform, you set up automation recipes called workflows. For example, you can tell it, when I get an important email, add a task to my project board. These services provide visual editors and step-by-step prompts, so you simply pick the apps to connect, choose triggers and actions, and the platform does the rest.
Popular use cases for remote work.
No-code platforms can save time by eliminating repetitive tasks. Common uses include automatically saving email attachments to cloud storage, syncing calendar events across accounts, posting updates to team chats based on project changes, and tracking form responses in spreadsheets. These automations help remote teams stay organized, efficient, and focused.
Getting started. Tips for beginners.
Start small by automating simple, repetitive tasks you do every day. Explore the pre-built templates most platforms offer. They cover many popular business apps. Read through their guides and communities for ideas. With basics in place, you can gradually build more powerful automations as you learn. No-code tools put effective automation within everyone's reach.